Hey guys, PepperAmmy here. This week we are making chicken con carne. Now, this idea came from me and a friend talking on Discord one night, and we joked about is there any rules about it? And yeah, here we are now. Now we are making this from total scratch, so you want to start by preparing your vegetables. You want to dice one onion into small chunks and add to a hot pan with some oil and cook until softened and slightly translucent. Now whilst the onion cooks, you want to chop a red pepper into small chunks and crush and mince 2 to 3 garlic cloves. Once the onion has softened, you want to add in your garlic and pepper along with 1 heaped teaspoon of chili powder, also 1 teaspoon of paprika. Now if you don't wish to add chili powder, if you've got someone that is highly against spice, you can always replace the chili powder with some extra paprika. And finally, you want to add in 1 teaspoon of cumin. Now, I will admit, I think cumin is one of my favourite spices to use. It just smells and tastes absolutely amazing. And then you just want to let this cook over medium heat for about 5 minutes until nice and fragrant and everything is coated and softened. Now, whilst the vegetables cook, you want to prepare your chicken. Now you can use chicken mince, but I wanted this to look a little bit different from the standard chili con carne, so I decided to use chunks of chicken breast instead so it looks more like a curry. Now this is where the joke between me and a friend came in, and he asked if it was okay to make chili with chicken and I replied I don't think it's illegal. So as we add the chicken, I guess we'll find out if there is anything illegal about this.
FBI, open up!
Now, whilst the chicken browns, you can make your sauce by dissolving a chicken or vegetable stock cube in 300 ml of warm water and add in a can of tomatoes and some tomato puree and then give it a good mix to combine. Now once your chicken has browned on all sides, you want to add in the sauce and simmer for 10 to 20 minutes until the chicken is cooked and the sauce is cooked down and nice and thick. Once it is almost cooked, you want to drain and wash a can of kidney beans and then add to the pan and cook for a few minutes. Now I did add a little bit of sauce colouring to tone down the red a bit, but apparently it is my first time using this stuff and a little goes a long way. But once cooked, you can also melt in some chocolate just to give it a subtle chocolatey flavour for a nice Mexican twist. And make sure the chocolate is fully melted, then simply serve with some boiled rice and enjoy. And there you have it, chicken con carne. Now this started off as a joke between me and a friend, but honestly this came out absolutely amazing. It is a great twist on curry and chili con carne, and I will definitely be making this again sometime. But anyway, that wraps up this week's episode. As always, if you like what you saw, let me know down below with a like and a comment. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe for free weekly cooking content, and I will see you all again next week. Thanks for watching.